Welcome to Basic Science for JSS 3. Today we study work, energy, and power, three closely related concepts in physics. Work. In physics, work is done when a force causes an object to move in the direction of the force. Formula: work equals force times distance in the direction of force. W equals F times the SI unit of work, Joule, J. 1 joule equals the work done when a force of 1 Newton moves an object 1 meter in the direction of the force. Important: work is done only when the object actually moves in the direction the force is applied. If a person pushes a wall and the wall doesn't move, no work is done. If a person carries a heavy load on their head and walks horizontally, the force, upward, and the displacement, horizontal, are perpendicular, no work done by the carrying force, the work is done against friction, etc. Example: a force of 50 N moves a box for M, work equals F times D is equal to 50 times 4 equals 200 J. Energy. Energy is the ability or capacity to do work. If an object or system can do work, it has energy. Like work, energy is measured in joules, J. Forms of energy: kinetic energy, K, energy of motion. K equals 1/2 mv superscript 2, m equals mass in kg, v equals velocity in meter per second. Potential energy, P, stored energy due to position or condition. Gravitational potential energy, GP, energy due to height above ground. GP equals mgh, m equals mass, g equals 10 meters per square second, h equals height. Chemical energy, stored in chemical bonds, food, fuel, batteries. Thermal/heat energy, energy due to temperature. Electrical energy, energy of moving electric charges. Sound energy, energy of vibrating particles. Light, radiant energy, energy of electromagnetic waves. Nuclear energy, stored in the nucleus of atoms. Law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only be converted from one form to another. The total energy in a closed system remains constant. Example: when a ball falls, gravitational P is converted to K. When a kettle boils, electrical energy is converted to thermal energy. Power. Power is the rate at which work is done, or energy is transferred. How fast the work is being done. Formula: power equals work/time. P equals W over T, SI unit of power, watt, W. 1 watt equals 1 joule per second, 1 J/S. Example: a machine does 600 J of work in 30 seconds. Power equals 600 divided by 30 is equal to 20 W. Efficiency. No machine converts energy with 100% efficiency. Some energy is always lost, usually as heat due to friction. Efficiency equals useful energy output/total energy input times 100%. Example: a machine takes in 500 J of energy and outputs 350 J of useful work. Efficiency equals 350/500 times 100% equals 70%. Remember, work equals done when force causes object to move in direction of force. Formula: W equals F times D, work equals force times distance in direction of force, SI unit equals joule, J. 1 joule equals force of 1 Newton moves object 1 meter in direction of force, only done when object actually moves in direction force applied. Push wall plus wall doesn't move equals no work done. Example: 50 N moves box for M, W equals 50 times 4 equals 200 J. Energy equals ability or capacity to do work, measured in joules, J. Forms: kinetic energy, K, equals energy of motion, K equals 1/2 mv superscript 2, m equals mass kg plus v equals velocity meter per second. Gravitational potential energy, GP, equals energy due to height above ground, GP equals mgh. M equals mass plus G equals 10 m/s superscript 2 plus H equals height. Chemical energy, stored in chemical bonds, food plus fuel plus batteries. Plus thermal/heat energy, due to temperature, plus electrical energy, moving electric charges, plus sound energy, vibrating particles, plus light/radiant energy, electromagnetic waves, plus nuclear energy, stored in nucleus. Law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed equals only converted from one form to another. Total energy in closed system equals constant. Ball falls equals GPK. Kettle boils equals electrical thermal. Power equals rate at which work is done, how fast work is being done. Formula P equals W/T. Power equals work/time. SI unit equals watt. W1 watt equals 1 joule per second. 1 J/S. Example, 600 J done in 30s. P equals 600/30 equals 20 W. Efficiency. NO machine converts with 100% efficiency. Some energy lost as heat due to friction. Efficiency surface useful energy output/total energy input times 100%. Machine takes 500 J in plus outputs 350 J useful. Efficiency surface 350/500 times 100% equals 70%. Thank you for studying basic science with us today.